Welcome to this guide video. This will walk you through how to submit your 2-minute self-recorded video for the next phase. If you appeared in the quiz, go to the AI SkillBridge website and check your result. Use the same email and phone number you used during the quiz registration. Enter those credentials on the result portal to see if you've qualified for the next round. If you've passed the quiz, congratulations. You're now required to submit a 2-minute video of yourself as part of the next selection phase. You'll receive an email with full video submission instructions. Read them carefully. Record in video and then upload your video to Google Drive. Upload your video to any folder you like in your Google Drive. Right-click the video, then click Share. Under Sharing Settings, choose Anyone with the link can view. Copy the link. Then fill that form with your email, your phone number, and the Google Drive link to your video. Click Submit. You're done. You've successfully completed the video submission phase. Now, wait for a response from the AI SkillBridge team. All the best for the next stage.